Dear everyone, this is Lily from Thunk3D. Today we will go through our desktop software workflow. Our software has 7 applications workflow. Here I will introduce Virtual Articulator workflow first. Click Virtual Articulator design icons to begin. We could load the face data or scan. Here I choose load. We could scan or load the teeth data. Here I choose load it. Import CBCT data. Align the data to by 2. Alignment is done. Here are the data storage paths. We can also align them with Articulator. Mark the points in order. Alignment is done. File location. We could import this data into XCAD. More information, please contact me freely.